Hi everybody and welcome to this video about our Solstice and Borealis photoreactors. So the great thing about these are you can use one lamp in two applications, a batch reactor and a continuous flow reactor. So maybe you want to do some interesting chemistry and try out some reactions, and you can actually screen multiple reactions with this lamp, with these tubes in this setup. And what you can do is then, if you've got some chemistry that works, you can translate it into continuous flow for a scale up using exactly the same lamp source. So a little bit more about this setup. So you've got 12 reaction tubes here and you've got a lamp here. The lamp's going to irradiate the tubes in this completely sealed housing, so it's really, really safe. And this is a very, very powerful lamp. You've got either, you can choose between 120 watts or 180 watt variant, and they're individual LEDs mounted on this hexagonal board, so you get really even light distribution across 12 tubes. You can do a variety of different chemistry, all at the same wavelength at the same time, but maybe you want to vary concentration or solvent, anything like that, and you get a lot of good data, so 12 lots of data just for doing one set of experiments. This is all completely temperature controlled in the housing, and it fits on a standard magnetic stir plate. So you get good stirring as well as temperature control. Here you can attach an external heater chiller as per your requirements for your reaction, or if you just want a stable room temperature, you can actually use just one chiller for the lamp and the reactor. This is, as I said, the lamp does need a bit of cooling, but that's really to be expected when you've got such a high wattage output there. These are the reaction tubes, really nice, simple tubes, and you can actually, from the top, you can do any sampling additions or have a needle in there. So, and they just slot into that housing there. This same lamp, as I said, can work in a continuous flow system simply by putting a coil reactor on this base, which is designed for coils, and that's actually allowing you to do some continuous chemistry using exactly the same lamps that you've already got in the batch reactor. And again, you've got temperature control option on the base, and that controls the reaction temperature. So there you've got an example of the Asynt Borealis lamps being able to be used in both a batch and then a flow configuration, and you can just start with one, you can add the other one on as and when your chemistry and application demands it.